Today I went to Chroma because I heard there was a discount of 70% on most of the products, and I ended up buying the Sony headphones, that is WH-1000XM4 model. This model was released last year. The current model is M5. The difference between M4 and M5 is the foldability. This has a better foldability than the newer model which was released this year, so I preferred going for this version. This has an excellent noise cancelling and an amazing voice quality as well as a microphone. So I'm going to be unboxing this right now. So this one, the price of this has been 29,000 in stores, but Chroma had offered it for 22,990 for the Ganpati discount, and this one actually costed me 5,000 less than that because of a cashback offer on my card. So I'll be unboxing this right now. So let's begin. Unboxing is pretty easy. You just pull this down and take out the plastic off. After that, there doesn't seem to be any kind of tape, but the box is very good quality. I just pull this out, and there you can see this artistic beauty from Sony. Sony has always been really great when it comes to packaging its products.
Japanese masterpiece.
Yeah. So this is the packaging of the box, and then they have given also the so initially, because it's new, it's a bit tight. It will get looser once I start using it regularly. The cover is pretty much good quality, very strong, and there you go. This is the headphone. So there are two colors available in this. The white, actually it's not called white, it's called silver, and the black one. The silver has been out of stock. So I asked the person, he said that Sony has been mass producing the black one rather than white ones or the silver ones. And also I preferred black because the silver ones can, can become decolorized over time. So the smell is so awesome. It's like as if it just came
right from the factory.
Yeah, right out of the factory. So let's see how this is. I really loved it. It's total noise cancellation. I can't hear anything.